So hi guys, Kevin again with Lilly and welcome back to our channel Woodland Campercraft. So today we've got a bit of a strange video for today. We're not out camping or we're not out doing crafting or anything, but we've come to see the blue super blood moon. So
slash red, because it's actually red.
Yeah, so we've come out. It's the moon is supposed to pop over the horizon any time now. It said 2:15 and it's like 16:50, so we should have been up about 5 minutes ago really. We've come to where I do my walks and where we've done the magnet fishing videos before, Hibblestone Bridge, because that's probably one of the highest elevations we've got around here. And yeah, we're going to see what this moon looks like. Obviously this video camera's got a good zoom and I've got my stills DSLR camera for some photographs hopefully. So we're going to wait down here for a bit. It is supposed to come up over there, over the wold somewhere, so there are the highest point of Lincolnshire over there, so it might just be a minute before it breaches the horizon over there. So yeah, hopefully this should be a fairly good spectacle. I think it's a once in a lifetime thing. It's not happened for 150 years, this sort of alignment what's going on, so I don't think we'll see it ever again. But it's just typical. I mean, the sun is just about to disappear, but if this would have happened a month ago it would have been absolutely pitch black by now, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
A month ago, and then it would have been even better in the sky, but we'll see what it does. We'll have a look. So I just took it to camera and the moon had just shot up so quick. It is humongous. Look at the size of that thing. Okay. I'll get it stabilised on a tripod in a minute. I'm just going to take a few pictures, and if they're any good I'll include them at the end of the video for you. God, I wish it was darker. I'm not picking it out very well at all.
Let's see. Wow, it looks like Mars. Where's the moon orange?
It's because there's been a full lunar eclipse, so all the normal light's not getting to the moon. It just makes it look red. That's why it's called a blood moon.
Why call it a blue moon though? Got the moon right just about there, look. The camera and the lighting is rubbish, so I might just wait for it to wait for it to get a bit darker and then see if we can pick out the colour a bit better. But it does look amazing to the eye, doesn't it, mate?
go. Nope.